Okay, you see this jungle, right? We planted 2 plants right there. And I put a tomato plant in the middle. So my son put a spaghetti squash on that side. And I put a zucchini squash on this side. And then I put a tomato in the middle. Right? Alright. That flower is a wild carrot. Wild carrot right there. Okay, but anyway, you see the jungle. You see the jungle. You see it. This is ah. Okay, I'm laughing, but it ain't funny though. Okay, so first of all, I have to let me show you. I gotta fight these things. They're everywhere, and I'm just squishing them, trying to get them off the plant. But I think I'm killing my plant because I'm taking them off. So I don't think I'm supposed to take them off. I think I'm supposed to, I seen somebody get like a piece of tape and get them off. Just trying to be nice to the plant. But as of right now, I'm frustrated. This plant is a lot. And now I got some tomatoes coming. See? You see that? But then look, wait a minute. Get in the focus. There they go. No, thank you. That's so not cool. They're everywhere though. They're everywhere. So I don't know how long this plant is going to produce. But I was trying to look in here. I mean to tell you, got to look everywhere. That's crazy. That's crazy. So I'm trying to look in here, and I was watching a video, and the lady said, don't let the squash ripen on the vine, because it'd make the plant think it can't do anything else. So I'm in here looking, and I could swear I see something. These things hurt. Let's be honest. This hurt. I know I see something down there. I know I do. Okay, let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, go! Did I turn y'all off? Oh, y'all didn't make the trip. Okay, you didn't make the trip. This is what we got. You didn't make the trip. It's all right. It's all right. Uh-huh. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. All praise to the Most High.